Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS4 that keeps overheating. Place the PS4 on a table where you have good lighting and space. Make sure the PS4 is completely powered on so we can observe the overheating symptoms. Listen closely to the PS4 fan noise when running a game. If the PS4 fan sounds loud or the PS4 feels hot, we'll start cooling steps now. Shut down the PS4 properly using the controller power menu. Wait for the PS4 light bar to turn fully off before touching any cables. Unplug the PS4 power cable from the back of the PS4. Unplug the HDMI cable from the PS4 as well. Gently move the PS4 to a clean, open workspace. Look at the sides and back of the PS4 where the PS4 air vents are located. If the PS4 vents look dusty or blocked, this is restricting airflow. Use a soft brush to loosen dust around the PS4 side vents. Brush carefully along the PS4 rear exhaust vent where air escapes. Now grab a can of compressed air if available. Hold the PS4 still and blow short bursts through the PS4 vents. Do not hold the PS4 fan in one spot too long with air pressure. Rotate the PS4 slowly while clearing dust from each vent section. Continue until dust stops coming out of the PS4 vents. Wipe the PS4 surface with a dry microfiber cloth. Next, check the PS4 placement environment. The PS4 should never be inside a closed cabinet. The PS4 needs at least a few inches of space around all sides for airflow. Place the PS4 horizontally for the best cooling. Make sure no walls or objects are blocking the PS4 rear exhaust vent. Now plug the PS4 power cable back into the PS4. Plug the HDMI cable back into the PS4. Turn on the PS4 using the PS4 power button. Wait for the PS4 to boot up to the main screen. Place your hand behind the PS4 exhaust vent again. Airflow should feel stronger now that the PS4 vents are cleared. If the PS4 still overheats, we'll adjust performance settings. Go to the PS4 settings menu. Scroll to power saving settings on the PS4. Select set features available in rest mode on the PS4. Turn off. Stay connected to the internet. For the PS4. Turn off. Enable turning on PS4 from network. This helps the PS4 cool down more effectively while resting. Return to the PS4 home screen. Now close all unused applications on the PS4. Press the PS button to view active apps, then close each one. A cluttered system makes the PS4 fan work harder. Restart the PS4 to reset thermal behavior. Once the PS4 reboots, test the game again. Listen to the PS4 fan as you play. The PS4 should now run quieter and cooler. If the PS4 is still overheating, internal dust may be heavy. At this stage, the PS4 likely needs an internal cleaning service. This involves removing the PS4 shell and accessing internal components. If you're not comfortable opening the PS4, seek a repair technician. A technician can replace PS4 thermal paste if it's dried. Fresh thermal paste dramatically improves PS4 cooling. Also, a professional can fully clean the PS4 fan and heatsink. This prevents the PS4 from shutting down during gameplay. For now, keep the PS4 in an open, well-ventilated area. Clean the PS4 vents every few weeks to prevent dust buildup. Avoid placing the PS4 on carpet or beds where intake vents get blocked. These simple habits keep the PS4 temperature stable. Thanks for watching this PS4 overheating fix tutorial on Tech Vibes. Subscribe for more helpful PS4 repair and maintenance guides.